Good morning. My name is Agna Yunica Putriwardani. I'm from the Faculty Economics and Business. My program study is accounting at University Bina Sarana Informatika. Here I will give my opinion about smoking in campus area. Among students, often think that smoking is common thing. However, there are still many students who tend to be apathetic about this smoking issue. In my opinion, smoking on campus is inappropriate. The campus is a place to learn, a place to gather, and a place to develop oneself. A place that should be healthy and positive, should not be polluted by cigarette smoke. The real impact from smoking includes dependence on cigarettes, so that smoking students often feel sleepy, restless, and lucky start if their smoking needs are not students. This is not only about the health of smokers, but also about respecting others who do not smoke and keeping the campus environment clean and healthy. Smoking in campus area should be banned. That's my take on smoking in campus area. I apologize if there is any mention of the wrong words because humans are not free from mistakes. So, thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Agna Yunica Putriwardani. I'm from the Faculty Economics and Business. Program study is accounting at University Bina Sarana Informatika. Here I will explain about the question word. We use question words to ask certain type of question. The most common questions in English are often referred as WH questions. This is when, who, whose, why, where, what, which, and how. We often refer to them as WH word because they include the letter WH. That is when ask question about times, occasion, or moment. Who ask question about people. Who's ask question about ownership or possession. Why ask a question about reason. Where ask a question about place. What ask a question about things or object. Which ask a question about choice of preference. How ask about manner or condition. Now, when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Example, what did you leave? When do you relax? Who? We want to ask about people or person. Example, who is that? Who opened the door? Whose? We want to ask about ownership of possession. Example, whose are the keys? Or whose turn is it? Why? We want to ask about reason. Example, why are you late? Or why do you say that? Where? We want to ask about place or position. Example, where do they live? Or where are you from? What? We want to ask about things, animals, and action. Example, what is favorite sport? What is your name? Which we want to ask about choice or preference. Example, which is your apple? Which color do you want? How we want to ask about manner, condition, or quality. Example, how was your exam? How are things at work? How old? Ask about ages. Example, how old are they? How much or many? Ask about number, quantity, or price. Example, how much money do you have? How often? Ask about frequency. Example, how often does she study? How far? Ask about distance. Example, how far is to Madrid? How long? Ask about duration of length. Example, how long is the movie? That's my explain about the question words. I'm so sorry if there are any mistakes. Thank you.